Hi there, this is Vanji and welcome back. So this is the second part of 30 must know adjectives video because I don't want to make this kind of video too long as it's a bit boring and tedious to watch for like 50 minutes straight, if you know what I mean. Sorry if I am being too honest. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive into it.
So the first adjective is scared, afraid, 害怕 and 害怕的. Let's see the example sentences. The first one, 他看起来很害怕. The second one, 这是个令人害怕的怪物. Awkward or embarrassed, 尴尬 and 尴尬的. 杰克觉得有点尴尬，这是个尴尬的局面。Next one is sleepy, 困倦 and 困倦的。I feel sleepy, 我感到困倦了。This is a sleepy cat, 这是一只困倦的猫咪。Sad or sorrow, 悲伤 and 悲伤的。他很悲伤，因为他失去了至亲的人。The second sentence, 他唱着悲伤的歌。Angry or mad, 生气 and 生气的。这女孩现在非常生气。There's no reason to be angry. 没有生气的理由。Next one is awful, worse. 糟糕 and 糟糕的。If you want to say the weather is really awful today, 今天的天气很糟糕。最糟糕的是他肚子痛。Frustrated, depressed, 沮丧 and 沮丧的。他经常感到沮丧。杰克说，我能够理解他感到沮丧的原因。Pretty or beautiful, 漂亮 and 漂亮的。This girl is very pretty. 这个女生很漂亮。这是一条漂亮的项链。Confident, 自信 and 自信的。她总是充满自信。那天下午，她显出很自信的样子。Cute, lovely, 可爱 and 可爱的。她可爱的笑容让人心动。这是一只可爱的兔子。Careful or considerate, 细心 and 细心的。You should be more careful. 你应该再细心些。缓慢的、细心的烹调使肉易于消化。温柔 and 温柔的。Gentle, tender. 那小女孩很温柔。这位艺术家完美地展现了她温柔的笑容。Kind, 善良 and 善良的。刘明是一个善良的人。我们永远都要保持善良的心。Clumsy, 笨拙 and 笨拙的。他总觉得自己很笨拙。很难相信我曾经有瘦小又笨拙的时候。Annoying, 烦人 and 烦人的。 他总觉得他的老板很烦人。他是个烦人的家伙。Caring 贴心and 贴心的。你真贴心。这间公司提供贴心的服务。Grumpy 脾气暴躁 and 脾气暴躁的。这只猫脾气暴躁。他是一个脾气暴躁的人。Strange 奇怪 and 奇怪的。这看起来真奇怪。他总做奇怪的表情。Talented 有天赋 and 有天赋的。他在音乐方面有天赋。这是个有天赋的女生。Handsome 帅气 and 帅气的。他很帅气 He's very handsome. 他喜欢帅气的男生。Shy 害羞 and 害羞的。She's shy. 她害羞了。弟弟总是表现出害羞的表情。Introvert 内向 and 内向的。他变得越来越内向。他是一个内向的人。Extrovert outgoing 外向 and 外向的。他性格很外向。许多人都喜欢他外向的性格。Brave 勇敢 and 勇敢的。我很佩服他勇敢的精神。父亲告诉我要做一个勇敢的人。Obnoxious annoying 令人讨厌and 令人讨厌的。这实在令人讨厌。他实在是个令人讨厌的家伙。
Alright, that's all for today's video and I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe if you think this channel is helpful for you. Also, if you want to learn Chinese or simply just want to improve your spoken Chinese, feel free to check out my new course called Master Practical Chinese in 30 Days. It covers different topics from meeting new people to grocery shopping, from food to travel, etc. This course aims to help you to improve your spoken Chinese. Feel free to send me DMs if you have any questions. I will see you in the next one. 下次见，bye!